I'm Mr. Bram, and this is a 2021 Kia Seltos. Take a left turn at normal because it is time for Fit the Fam shortcuts. I want to thank Sands Kia in Surprise. They provided me the vehicle today. Sandskia.com. If you are looking for a new or used vehicle, go check them out. They've got cars and SUVs and vans. They've got the car that'll fit your fam. Do you like iPads stuck to your dashboard? Maybe you like things shiny and piano black. Even more, maybe you just hate holding your own lane. I'm actually driving the 2021 Kia Seltos right now, and I'm not going to do a full review today because they're too limited. I actually can't get a hold of one for long enough to do a full review, so this is going to be a quick review, but we are going to find out, will it fit the family car seats? I'm actually driving hands off right now using lane assist. Lane assist, keep you within the lane without touching. Now, you're not supposed to do this. Don't take your hands off the steering wheel when you're driving. It's just supposed to be an assistance program. But I mean, I'm only kind of trusting it, but I'm taking a turn right now and it's doing its job, so pretty good. So all I did was install the base for this infant seat. I didn't adjust the driver's seat at all from when I was driving earlier. Let's see if it'll fit. That's a no-go. Unfortunately, won't sit down and latch. Let's see what it'll take. So in order to adjust the driver's seat so that fits, I don't think I could drive like this. I'm not comfortable. Okay, so the infant seat didn't work in there, but I went ahead and put a booster, and surprisingly, there's plenty of room. What's also nice is that the backs of these seats are made out of plastic rather than leather or fabric, so any forward facer that puts their feet on the back of the seat, you're not going to worry about messing up or tearing the fabric back there. So I'd say those fit very comfortably. Let's check out the trunk. So as you would expect with a subcompact SUV, it does not have a power liftgate, but you get a nice flat load floor, which makes it easy to load things in like a stroller or other items. But they actually have a little secret. See, underneath here you can store items. Now, protected because there's a spare tire, but you can store whatever you want to down here. But there's even one more secret. Is you just take this cover and now you have an expanded space to store things. And really, let's see how the stroller fits now. So unfortunately, the stroller's not going to fit lengthwise. It's a little bit too long unless you have a more compact stroller, but our jogger will fit between the two wheel wells, which is pretty impressive for this small of a vehicle. And with this extra little space, it's not feeling like it's spilling over the top. In fact, I can put my jogger up like this, give myself even more space for groceries or some other items for our day trips without any issue. When I first got into the Seltos, I did not expect a lot. It isn't much bigger than the Soul or the Nero, but after taking it around, it feels much more substantial. There's also great features, and the hatch size surprised me. This is an excellent SUV for those that have graduated from the Soul but are not quite ready for a mid-size yet.